Yo, I didn't think I was gonna be able to pick these things up today, but I did, and I must say, bruh, getting them in hand finally, these Air Jordan 5 Burgundies, bruh, is straight gas, man. Go ahead and comment down below and let me know how you feeling about these Air Jordan 5 Burgundy suede things down below in the comment section, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video. You guys already know, man, it's greatly appreciated when you guys pull up to the videos. Come chop it up with your boy, The Vintage. See what I'm talking about. And usually we talking about some heat. We unboxing some heat. We got something definitely dope, you know what I'm saying, in store for you guys, the video. So go ahead and subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell and leave a huge like on today's video. It'd be greatly appreciated. I don't really do on feats like that, but now we get more, you know what I'm saying, active with our own feet. So this one right here, definitely gonna be a dope one for you guys, man. And of course, in addition to, you know what I'm saying, actually breaking these things down, I gotta put you guys on to another collection that OutRank brand just dropped. And I must say that's really nice. You guys see the tee right here that we got on right now that goes with these Air Jordan 5 Burgundies. You also got some dope shorts right here. Check it out. You guys know we're in that summertime still. I really like these. Heavyweight, nice material. You got the packet on the back, and of course you got the drawstrings up front, and it says comfort will destroy you, OutRank brand. Super nice, man. In addition to the tee we got on right here, they also dropped another one. And then checking out the front, you have the same logo that you have on the shorts on the front of this tee right here. It literally goes perfect with the Air Jordan 5 Burgundies, which you're about to jump into right now. But make sure you guys check out OutRank brand. I'm gonna link them down below. The stuff goes quick. You guys can see the tee, and I'm gonna show you the back here soon with the B-roll. But use that link down below. Use that code TheVintage. Save you 10% off your order. It's gonna go pretty fast. If you want something to go perfect with these Air Jordan 5 Burgundies, OutRank the way to go. So I literally did not confirm these at all. I was like, bro, hopefully on the day of the release I can go and pick them up, and I actually was able to. Shout out to City Gear. Went in there, they didn't have a size 9, so I said, man, y'all got a size 8.5 or 9.5, and they went in the back, and they luckily had a size 9.5 for your boy. Go ahead and check out the box real quick. I know you probably don't care about the box, but I definitely want to show you guys what it's hitting for. Got the Burgundy Air Jordan up top. You got the Jumpman logo, and the fish color reads Air Jordan 5 Retro SE, deep burgundy and light graphite. Like I said, I got these things in the size 9.5. Nothing came on the inside. You guys see how this is coming. And bam, man, there you have them, the Air Jordan 5 Burgundies. This is an SE, a special edition to what they, you know what I'm saying, producing with these right here. Usually when you do get the SC behind a Jordan 5 or any Jordan pretty much, they're gonna raise that retail tag. And I think I paid $245 out the door. So I think the retail for these had to have been $225. Crazy. I was like, damn, bro, like I feel like I'm paying resale for these. I might as well have bought them early at that point if I'm paying $245 out the door. Not too sure how the resale is gonna look here with the next couple of days. They're still currently sitting on the Nike Sneakers app, but I do know for sure, like I said, these haven't released in like 15, 16 years, if I'm not mistaken. It's been a long time, so that probably is gonna warrant people to go out and probably snag these things with Foot Locker, you know, Champ Sports, some of these other stores that did reservations for the Air Jordan 5 Burgundies, start letting them go, and people might start, you know what I'm saying, scooping them up. We shall see. But the resale is pretty low, going for right around retail, probably under retail in some sizes. Put a little screenshot right here at StockX, seeing what the prices is fluctuating at. But for me, it was a no-brainer. I had to cop them. Always wanted these things growing up, and we finally have them. So checking out the entire upper, of course, you guys see it splashed all around with that burgundy all around, the nice suede too. Hit you guys with the suede hits, man. I'm talking about nice back strokes all around the sneaker. Like they had it pretty consistent with the right sneaker and even the left sneaker. They ain't, you know what I'm saying, short one or the other. They kept both of them pretty good in my opinion. Pretty easy to break these things down because they all over suede. You can't go wrong with them. A couple things I did want to point out is that we got the nice gray laces in here, the light graphite, as you guys can see, and they kind of give us a different, you know, color gray than the actual 3M tongue that they did hit us with. This is 3M if I'm not mistaken. Take a picture just to make sure. But you know, usually when we get Air Jordan 5s, they are 3M. It's very rare that we don't get like a 3M tongue, reflective tongue on our Air Jordan 5s. And along with the 3M tongue, you got the nice big burgundy Jumpman on the tongue right there as well. And then flipping around to the heels of these Air Jordan 5s, you didn't get a Nike Air, of course, but you got the nice light graphite or gray, whatever you want to call it, Jumpman on the back right there. And of course, the caging system with these Air Jordan 5 burgundy joints, got the nice translucent little caging system on the side of the sneaker even on the tongue right here, as you guys can see, and then leading to the inner of these Air Jordan 5s right here, got the same thing, man. So with time, of course, it's gonna get yellow. Let's always tell people, man, if you buy your sneakers to rock, you know what I'm saying, definitely wear them things, because sooner or later, things gonna start crumbling, things gonna start yellowing. I picked up my Air Jordan 5 metallics the other day, and I was like, damn, bro, I should have been wearing these, because them joints is super yellow now. And then to top it all off, man, with a nice burgundy hits all around the sneaker, is with that nice baby blue, translucent blue on the outsole. Really liking this right here. I feel like, you know, sometimes Nike couldn't go in the wrong direction as far as throwing that baby blue translucent outsole. But for these burgundy joints, I'm glad they put that blue tint on there, then keep it just a full clear translucent. So you guys let me know right now down below in the comment section, man, if you did secure a pair of these Air Jordan 5 burgundies. Like I said, it was one of them SC sneakers. That retail was pretty steep. I ain't gonna lie, like I said, I went to the store, paid $245. I said, bruh, I should have bought these things early. But it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure later down the line, if I would have waited, I could have got these for a little bit cheaper. But you guys know, we gotta bring you guys some dope content. We gotta bring you guys some dope visuals over what's hot, what's dropping. That happen to be these Air Jordan 5 burgundies, man. So like I said, let me know if you cop right now down below in the comment section. Let me know if you're gonna wait until these things hit the Nike outlets. Let me know what you're gonna do as far as these, but don't wait too late, you feel me? Don't wait too late. I feel like, you know, Jordan 5s kind of stay low for a very long time. You really will have to wait like 6 years, and then the resale might hit like 400, but that's highly unlikely, especially for like a non-OG colorway. So yeah, man, like I said, let me know if you snagged these things. Can't wait to read you guys' comments. They fire, they trash. Was it a cop? Was it a drop? Need to see all that interaction down below. But if I had to rate these things, I would definitely give them an 8.3 out of 10 in my opinion, just because, like I said, I grew up wearing these all the time. The quality is there, the colorway is there, and like I said, man, these joints is super fire in hand, bro. I don't think the camera's doing it any justice. I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping in to today's video. If you are new, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. Of course, all my social media links will be linked down below in the description box, along with OutRank brand. Go ahead and get your tee to go perfect with these Air Jordan 5 burgundies, especially want to see how this, you know, how to style them, what to throw with them. OutRank brand is the way to go. Their stuff goes pretty quick, so go check out ASAP using that code TheVintage. Again, thanks for tapping in. I appreciate all the support. And with all this being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.